it's Ashley here from Dollhouse Team, and I'm going to show you how to create an ombre look using Punky colors at home. So I've got my gloves and my color palette. Let's get started. The three colors that I'm using are Vermilion Red, Flamingo Pink, and Cotton Candy. I'm going to start with Vermilion Red at the base of the hair, Flamingo Pink in the middle, and Cotton Candy at the ends. Section off the hair into about 1 to 1.5 inch sections. Starting with Vermilion Red, I'm going to put it on my fingers and kind of brush it on and then blend it in. The scent of this is so amazing. Next, I'm going to take Flamingo Pink and apply it to the mid shaft of the hair, and just kind of using your fingers pinched together, blend the two colors in. Lastly, we're going to take Cotton Candy and apply it to the ends, starting kind of in the middle of Flamingo Pink. So we're applying Vermilion Red at the base of the hair and just kind of rubbing it between my two fingers all the way down. Then I'm going to take Flamingo Pink lastly, Cotton Candy all the way through the ends. As you can see, I have color down here just from it being on my gloves while I'm taking down the sections. That's totally okay, because when you blend in the rest of the colors, it's going to erase those mistakes. As you're applying the color, if you see your old color kind of showing through and it's not totally saturated, that's okay, because when the hot pink comes up in here, it'll create kind of like a highlight. That's what you want. You don't want it to be steppy or blocky. See, I took the Flamingo Pink up to where it was blonde in that section, just really blended it in with my fingers, and that'll create a really nice highlight. Okay, we're gonna leave this on for 15 to 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse with cool water. Cool water keeps the cuticle closed, so it allows the color to stay longer. And there you have it, a simple, beautiful ombre. Thanks for watching.